Hi, I'm Rebecca Cordell.
What makes you an ideal candidate for the Excel Venture Program?
I'm really looking forward to having the opportunity of going back to Israel. I'm excited to learn from some of Israel's top industry leaders and for the possibility to embark on this journey.
Have you completed your undergraduate degree?
I have my degree at Ball State University in marketing and minor in entrepreneur management.
What computer programs are you skilled in?
I know how to operate and manage Microsoft Office programs as well as use Adobe Illustrator.
What have you accomplished while at Ball State?
I'm involved at Ball State through volunteering and Greek life while maintaining Dean's List and a part-time job.
How has your college experience shaped you?
The knowledge I've gained from my education and all of my previous work experiences allow me to work efficiently and effectively in the best way possible.
How have you grown through your past work experiences?
My previous work experiences and my ability to work as a versatile and well-rounded team player makes me an ideal candidate for this program. I approve this message.